2 follow-up visits per day. Again, if you think about that, 2 new ones plus 2 follow-up visits plus windshield time plus phone calls plus lunch plus paperwork or digital documents and processing files and doing some job work and other things that go along with the job. That's a very full day for a comfort advisor, and you need them fresh and energized with every opportunity. So let's not burn out our comfort advisors and just send them out quoting and hoping, spraying and praying on opportunities. Again, damaging the brand, burning opportunities. Fewer is better. Again, you need to go ahead and triage the opportunities that you're getting if you're overwhelmed. If not, you need to hire more comfort advisors. 6 follow-up phone calls a day or less. And again, if you're doing your job well, you're closing these out in person, so there shouldn't be a lot of phone call activity. Debrief after every call. You have to call in and debrief what you did on that call and what the status of that opportunity is. If it's a phone call follow-up or email follow-up or text follow-up, if you happen to do that, I'm against it. But if you've made any communication, any contact with the customer, you've got to debrief the sales coordinator so that they can update the computer system. Again, some of you might be doing that yourself directly, so make sure you're debriefing within the system. From there, daily sales leadership, one-on-one. You're doing a daily huddle, checking the temperature as a sales manager, as the owner of the company, making sure they're in a good space and that they're operating and that, how did they do yesterday and checking in on what are their work plans for today. Right? Weekly sales meetings, training, and coaching is what I expect with my salespeople, and then monthly ride-alongs. Everybody gets ride-along. You can't coach from the locker room.